Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today we're gonna make crystal bath bombs. Okay, these are the materials: bath bomb mix, baking soda, and mica powder, glitter, the bath bomb crystals, the containers, and the coconut oil with the measuring stick. Also includes instructions. First, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of bath bomb mix and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Also, 1 teaspoon of bath bomb mix and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And half of the mica powder. Now I gotta mix it. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of water. It should have the consistency of damp sand. In the microwave for 15 seconds. You can also ask a grown-up to help you. Pack the bath bomb mix in the containers and leave a little space in the middle to put the crystals. And now we gotta put the coconut oil. And now add the crystals.
Perfect.
And this is how they look after you do that. And you have to put them together and leave them like that for 1 hour. I am going to open it. The blue one didn't turn really good, but we're still gonna use it in the water. And I'm gonna make a purple one. So follow me on Instagram and you'll see how the purple one turned out. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you like, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!